Hello everyone, this is Stacy Bresler at Archer Energy Solutions with another episode of On Target with Archer. So today I was thinking a lot about how can we make our audits better, smoother for the utility, and what is some of the important aspects of it. And there's a ton of different things that you can do, but one thing that keeps on nagging at me over the decade plus I've been involved with NERC SIP is often there's utilities that just they have an unwillingness to talk to the auditors, to actually ask the pointed questions that they need to ask. And I'd like to encourage everyone to consider talking to the auditors, I mean through email or a phone call, either way, but present them with your challenges, present them with those complex situations where you're not sure what you should be doing or what level you should be focused on in a number of things like SIP 13, how do I demonstrate due diligence, and just asking those questions. Now, auditors can't do the work for you. They can't tell you explicitly how to do it. They can't write your documentation. They can't do your performance for you, but they can give you the right direction. And it's also great ammo to provide back up to your executive staff and your SMEs to show them that here's what the auditors say you have to do. And us consultants, we can definitely take that message, and help bring that home for you. We can also tell you the same thing, but sometimes it takes those combo punches, the 1, 2, 3, one from the auditor, one from the consultant, and one from internal, to really hit home and get it right, and that's what we're all trying to do. And of course, I always say it's not just about compliance, it's about doing the right thing. So I hope you have a good day. Just some insight I was thinking about, I'd like to share with you. Later.
Don't miss out on any of our insightful content. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay informed whenever we release new videos. For top-tier security solutions, Archer is your trusted partner. Explore our offerings at archerint.com and get in touch via email or phone to fortify your company's defenses. Your questions drive our content. Leave them in the comments below and join us every Monday for a fresh episode of On Target with Archer.